If the air coming from the climate control system smells stale, the recommended air filter replacement interval may have passed. Open the glove box on the passenger side and pinch to release the clips on the right. Then gently press the sides of the glove box until it releases and drops down. Squeeze the clips on the right side of the air filter cover to remove it. Then pull out the old filter and replace it with a new filter. Make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down. Put back the air filter cover and glove box and press in the side clips. It's that easy. You should replace the air filter when the recommended interval has passed. It will keep your vehicle fresh and pleasant.